Hi, my name is Benjamin Agustin Vidalion, and I'm currently working as a senior Spanish translator analyst here at Accenture. My job description includes documents translations, email translations, Microsoft Office communications, translations, quality audits. Nag-take ako ng Spanish language for different vocations sa TESDA Taguig noong May of 2009. Bago ako naging Spanish translator, marami din naman muna akong mga menial jobs na napasukan gaya ng factory worker, messenger, and even janitor. And although I graduated as salutatorian back in 1997, I was not able to go back to school until 5 years later in 2002 through Gloria Macapagal Arroyo Scholarship. Sa awa ng Diyos, natapos ko naman yung kursong kinuha ko with flying colors. Gumraduate ako as cum laude noong 2006 sa PUP Taguig. Nang matapos ko yung Spanish course na kinuha ko sa TESDA, nag-self-study muna ako sa pamamagitan ng panonood ng mga Spanish movies, Spanish TV shows. And then after more than a year, naglakas loob ako na mag-apply dito sa Accenture as a Spanish translator. Naging dedicated naman ako sa trabaho ko na siyang naging dahilan upang bigyan ako ng iba't ibang awards and recognitions. Sa katunayan, I just got promoted as a senior translator analyst here at Accenture. Let us all be an inspiration to other people the way I have been an inspiration when I decided to impart my life experiences through essay writing contest in the Philippine Star and Cobra Pinoy Hero in 2012. Muli, ako po si Benjamin Agustin Vidalion, Tatak TESDA.